like them. Jamming on the beat. Serves me out and doing like them.
Somebody's been to the Dollar Tree. Hi guys. Hey, I'm Deb. If you're new here, I'm so glad to have you. And this is not what I normally do, but I'm still waiting for subscription boxes to come in for January. And it's just a big delay. And I thought, well, I went to Dollar Tree and I thought, well, I'll just put that up there and we'll see what we can get done. Anyhow, the first thing I got, this one was $5. And you get 2 of them, and let's see if it says what size it is. 16 by 20. And what I'm going to do with one of these anyway, is I'm just going to put old Dorothy on there. I mean, I realize she's bigger than that, but it'd be fine, because I've just cut it off at the bottom. That way I'll have it, because I'm going to redo my stuff on my wall in my living room to go with my Cinderella album. So I got that ready to go. And then, of course, I got bubble mailers. I got 2 bubble mailers. Because I got to send Mom her shirt. It's on one of these Temu orders that I got. And what else am I supposed to send her? I don't remember what else I was supposed to send her. Oh, or a phone case. I had to order twice because I lost once. And then I got this nautical rope, which, you know, everything at Dollar Tree's a $1.25 tree. It's $1.25. But I got this because I thought this would be real cute to go around the outside of this clock. Now, whether it will or not, who knows? See, that's eventually what it will look like. I think that'll look better. It'll look more finished. So that's what that is for. Okay, now then I got me some sleep aid gels because, you know, I have sleeping problems, but I don't want to go to the big boys. And this is, I don't know, makeup banishing towel. No soap needed. I believe this is just a makeup eraser. That's what I thought it was when I bought it. So we'll see. Because for some reason, mine have been coming up missing. I don't know why. But mine have been coming up missing. I had a whole drawer full and I'm down to about 3. So I thought, well, I'll try these and see if they're any good. And if they are, then yeah, that's what they are. And all they really are, I don't really know what they are because they do work different than, it's a very, very soft material. And, I mean, if you have makeup on, you just add water, and it comes right off. I don't know how it works, but it works. And it doesn't work with, like, say, baby washcloths, and it doesn't work with, say, you know, fuzzy velours. I don't really know, but I know it works. And I do like them. Some just fell over there. I have no idea what it was. And then I got these shower fizzies. I've never tried a shower steamer because I've always been, I do a shower to get clean, but I do a bath, you know, to regroup myself. And a lot of times I used to take showers and baths every day. Is it me or is this side awful bright? Or is it just, I think it's the way the light's hitting. Let's see. I don't know. But, so I just thought, well, I'd get them and try them. And these are the eucalyptus and spearmint. There's a choice of that and something with lavender in it. And you know, I can't do the lavender, so triggers my asthma. Oh, you smell that through that plastic. Let's see if I can. I'm just trying to smell it. The actual smell. I still can't smell it. It smells like ivory soap from what I'm smelling. Jeez. Yeah, Now what they say to do is you sit this on the edge of your water where it doesn't get completely wet. It just smells like ivory soap. It doesn't smell no strong eucalyptus or anything. So I don't know how this one's going to work. I know some of them are very, very strong. And some of them are So, and I did order some off Temu, but we'll see. We shall see. Okay, then I also got a Sudoku book for my mom because she hates it when they have the large letters. She hates those books. I don't know why, but she absolutely hates them. So I saw this wasn't, so I picked her up one. I thought, well, I'll just put that in her little thing. Oh, and then I got these. These are very similar to what my grandma used to save just for me. And they're Sherwood truffles. Premium milk chocolate. So, yum. She used to get those, and then she'd get like Hershey's brands for everybody else. And no, those are for Deb. Those are for Deb. You can't have them. And my sister did not like that idea. She used to do it just to get her going. But now I got everything. And then I got this. This is black castor oil. Now this is, darn it, this is one of the things that have been going around on Facebook. Or not Facebook, TikTok. I really got my crap together, don't I? I ate broccoli yesterday. I know I can't have it, but man, I was craving it so bad. It just says beauty oil, high power for something. I don't know. I have no idea. You know, I can't see. And it just is clear like such. But it's $1.25, so. And it is definitely an oil. See, it's a very thick oil, see? Now, I can see, I would never put this on my face or my hair or anything like that because I have a problem with my hair. My hair will get too oily if I do something like that. You can rub it in, but it's very thick and it's, I don't know. I don't know what all I could use that on because I know it would come back to haunt me. Well, here's another makeup eraser, faux makeup eraser, because nowhere do they say it's a makeup eraser. Yep, old broccoli's getting the best of me. Gotta get this done. Sorry guys, not taking as long as normal. Hopefully tomorrow will be a better day, but here it is in purple, and they got them in all different colors. Oh, and then I got this. This is essentially a just hydrating serum foundation. So it's one of those 2-for-1s. Now, and I hear people saying, oh, well, that one won't do any good because your sunscreen goes on first and then, well, I hate to tell you this, but a lot of people don't even wear sunscreen on their face, first of all. And second of all, I don't look for foundation that often. But I just was trying to find something new and different for me. And they had one color, and it's going to be way too dark for me, as you can see. They had one color, so that'll go in the, because it's actually got a lot of yellow in it, and it probably wouldn't even look good with me with the tan. Because I have a lot of red in me with tan, so there's that. That was a waste of my $1.25. Okay, then they have these, and I saw they had other places had different stuff, but our new one, our brand new one, nope, it has crap. Quite honestly, it doesn't. It has about a fourth of the beauty stuff that the other one has in Athens. It has. It doesn't have crap. It's clean, but it's like it doesn't have near the stuff in it that the other one has. So bear that in mind. All Dollar Trees are different. This was the only scent, flavor, color, whatever you want to call it, of these. Okay? And this is the Smooth Lip Eye Collagen Cream. But like I said, for $1.25, you know, it's an entry point. So you say, hey, do I like this kind of stuff? Do I not like it? You know. I got to bust into the package. Okay, and here's the eye cream. And this is what it looks like on the inside. I don't know if I showed you. And that's the color and the text. Here, I'm going to do it over here a little further. It's kind of like the texture and the density of not Vaseline, but it's really not. It's kind of soupy. It's kind of like that Glow Recipe is what the feel is when you put it on. I know what I was thinking, triple antibiotics. That's what it looks like when you put it on. But it's kind of gooey. It smells very good, but it mixes right in. It absorbs quite. See, that's what I'm talking about. Let me try this again. Okay, you see this? Okay, when you pour it out of here, let me get to the end. Maybe. See, it kind of looks like the consistency of triple antibiotic ointment. And that's what, but when you actually mix it in, it just turns into like a gel. I guess from the heat of your body. I don't know. Okay, then this is Smooth and Lift Facial Cleanser. And it's with peptides, hyaluronic acid, and something else. And something else. But that's what that looks like. And it's got a safety seal. There, I got it. Sometimes getting those safety seals off is the hardest part. So this just, okay. I thought it had a flip top, but it doesn't. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Now this is basically what you wash your face with. And that's what it looks like. And it kind of looks like a lotion. And that's before you add water, you know, so it'll come right off with water. And it feels nice. It really does. The scent is very, 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 very faint. So I wouldn't let the scent pull you off. Now, I don't know about the lavender, because where I can't use lavender, it may be not strong enough that it bothers me, but it may be so. And this is Collagen Facial Serum. And that's what that looks like. And I realize this is a very, very, very short one for me, but hopefully we'll start getting our regular boxes in and we can get this back on schedule, but this is really getting old. It's already like the 15th of the month, and I don't think I have one January box in yet. Like, this is getting crazy. This is what this looks like. Let me see what it said it happened. Hyaluronic acid and peptides and what the heck is that? I don't know. I'll write it on the screen because I don't know. It starts with an S. But as okay, and it's clear. Let's try the run test. It's kind of runny, but it feels very similar to the first gel. It's very cooling, and still not much smell. So just keep that in mind. And hey, I hate to rush off here, but my stomach's killing me. So we're just going to pretend everything's normal here. All right, I will see you tomorrow. And hopefully by that time the broccoli decided it's done. All right, talk to you later. Do the YouTube stuff, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Bye.